welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to create a drop-down list very simply and quickly. As a first step, mark the place for the drop-down list. Click on Data and then Data Validation. In the Allowed table, select the List option. Now select the area where your words are and press Enter. Confirm with the OK button. And the drop-down list is ready. Now you know how to create a drop-down list. And now we will show you an illustrative example in which I will create a table with the birthdays of my employees. This is the table I will create for you as an example. It is a table in which I will fill in the names, days, months and years of birth of my employees. Now I will repeat the same procedure as in the previous video. I choose a place and create a drop-down list in all the places I need. Now I need to copy the same formula I just created to any other places. I have two options. One is that I click on the place where I created the formula and use the shortcut Ctrl+C and then Ctrl+V in another place. Or I move the cursor to the lower right corner and when a black cross appears, I press the cursor and drag to places below or next to it. I just selected the entire table and set the border for visual effect. Now I can use the drop-down list function in all places where I need it. So I fill in all the spaces in my table. I have successfully created my table and shown you how. I hope this video helped you and you will use the drop-down list. Thank you for watching the video and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.